Hello everyone and welcome to CES 2024. This year, CES is celebrating its 100 years of showcasing some of the most exciting and amazing product innovations from across the globe. You would be surprised to know that roughly 3,500 exhibitors are present here in this particular event. Las Vegas, oh my God. The entire city comes together to host this extravaganza. Around about 130,000 attendees are expected to attend this particular event. Now, this year, the theme for CES is access to technology and generative AI. So, without taking much of your time, I, Akash Gupta, lead ABM Automotive, would like to take this opportunity and show you some of the most amazing products and innovations that exhibitors from across the globe have put together just for this year's CES. Let's go and have a walkthrough. So now, you are about to enter the Las Vegas Convention Center West Hall. This is amongst one of the 3 technology zones and floor space that have been dedicated for the showcases. Roughly 2.4 million square feet of floor space have been distributed amongst 3,500 exhibitors for their demonstrations and booths. Let us go inside the West Hall and check it out. So here we are now at the North Hall, where exhibitors across various segments like AI and robotics, digital health, fintech, IoT, and subsequently vehicle tech and advanced mobility have put up their showcase. Tata Technologies booth is in this North Hall itself. Let's go and have a walk around of the North Hall now. So now, are you ready to go to the Tata Technologies booth and attend the live stream? Let's go to the Tata Technologies booth and see their interesting display on software-defined vehicles enabled by software-driven enterprise. And everyone, we are now there at the Tata Technologies booth, which is such an innovative and interesting concept of SDV, the end-to-end SDV proposition that Tata Technologies have put across at CES 2024. Hopefully. Hi Warren, how excited are you here to be at CES 2024?
Obviously delighted to be here. I think we have a great value proposition to represent through our booth. We're delighted at the opportunity to meet with many of our customers, our partners, and to celebrate the value proposition that Tata Technologies represents. You know, this is the premier tech conference in the world, and so it's appropriate that Tata Technologies is here and a part of it.
Thanks, Warren. We share the same excitement as you do. Moving forward, we would like to hear from you what brings Tata Technologies to CES.
Well, we are at the forefront of everything that's going on in the transport and the mobility sector. I think the value proposition that we represent is truly unique. You know, we've been recognized by organizations like Zinnov as the #1 automotive engineering service provider in India. Our unique proposition is very much a balanced offshore proposition. We have the complete coverage of the automotive value chain, and we're investing in the type of disruptive technology.
Thanks, Warren. Now our viewers would like to understand what differentiates Tata Technologies from other service providers.
I think there's a couple of things that really differentiates us. I think the first thing is, again, the fact that we're not an India out company. We practice very much a balanced offshore proposition when we're responsible for the delivery of complete vehicles. Customer intimacy is an integral part of our value proposition, and our onshore teams take responsibility for becoming a seamless extension of the customers that we work with. I think the other thing that differentiates us is the complete coverage that we represent for the automotive value chain. Many of our competitors are focused primarily on one specific domain. We have capabilities in the concept engineering area, detailed engineering, not just on the mechanical, but also in the software area. We help our customers with regard to manufacturing planning and the launch of vehicles in their production facilities. So those are the primary components of what makes Tata Technologies different than the rest.
Thanks a lot, Warren, for your candid response. Now, any closing remarks for the team and our live viewers?
I'd just like to again share my excitement and my passion for being here. You know, we're looking forward to not just communicating what we're capable of, but meeting with our customers and with our partners, and really celebrating the contribution that we are making to a space that is evolving and disrupting and transforming in a very dynamic way.
Thanks a lot, Warren. We always feel inspired by your words. Now, I would like to call upon Nachiket Paranjpe, President, Automotive Sales, to share the Tata Technologies value proposition.
Tata Technologies is excited to have this booth at CES. The value proposition that Tata Technologies brings is obviously one, team with the customer and our engineering and IT services enterprise expertise. Today, Tata Technologies is well known for their automotive capabilities in engineering, vehicle design, as well as end-to-end vehicle development, and manufacturing and end-to-end automotive IT, including product concept to finally aftermarket. So today, Tata Technologies is a specialist automotive services company, and we are trying to showcase all our capabilities here. Indeed, Tata Technologies also works in other domain area like aerospace and IHM, but today's at the CES, we are mainly here for our automotive capabilities. Thank you.
Thanks, Nachiket. Your words certainly reinforce that we have a lot to offer to the automotive industry. However, our viewers now are waiting for the big reveal of this year's Tata Technologies theme for CES.
See, the big reveal of our theme here is software-defined vehicles. And Tata Technologies' value proposition not only talks about how to develop vehicles with software as the primary focus, and hence the software-defined vehicles, but also how to convert your enterprise into a software-defined enterprise to enable the development and the entire life cycle of software-defined vehicles. So we have solutions which are presented in platform software, in embedded software, in enterprise IT, as well as the entire electric vehicle development and design from with the perspective of software as the primary focus. And that is the big reveal. We have different demos here at this event today, and we can see a lot of people visiting our booth, and it's already been quite successful so far. One of the key differentiators that we are bringing to the table is our platform software definition of software-defined vehicles, where we partner with multiple collaborators and companies to develop various software components and then build up an entire end-to-end stack, and also various solutions, including one of the solutions is end-to-end cloud development of software. So it's all getting showcased here at CES. Thank you.
Thanks, Nachiket. I'm sure our viewers are now even more excited to learn about our digital offerings. Hence, I would now request Gina Benoy, EVP and Global Head, Digital Engineering Solutions at Tata Technologies, to share the role digital is going to play in the world of SDVs.
SDV has a lot of complex requirements with respect to on-demand features, with respect to off-board and on-board, with respect to high-performance computing, edge computing, and all this necessitates that we have a digital backbone. And what we have been able to bring today is, with the experience that we have in digital, with the agile and the DevOps management that we have had, we've been able to really work well on the SDV part with the digital backbones that we have.
Thanks, Gina. That was indeed informative. Our viewers would like to know why Tata Technologies is best positioned to deliver the digital solutions required for enabling a software-defined driven enterprise to engineer software-defined vehicles.
Tata Technologies, I would say, is a one-stop solution for the customers who are wanting to design and come out with their product vision. In fact, it's something which, if you look at the CES booth today, we have covered it in 4 aspects. The first aspect that we see is the chip-to-cloud solution that we have put here. This talks about the SDV and the complexities on how we manage by integrating it in a seamless way with the help of multiple technologies. But we also are able to manage the manufacturing as well as the product development needs, which are also very unique to SDV. In addition to that, we are able to lay a very strong foundation for cybersecurity. So one of the booths that we have is on the cybersecurity part. And finally, I would say the experience that we have as Tata Technologies in the full vehicle engineering part is helping us, because the entire thing that we did on battery management and all other areas that we have on the full vehicle part is making it a full proposition and giving it an end-to-end offering that Tata Technologies is able to bring for our customers.
Thanks, Gina.
Thank you.
Our viewers have learnt about the role digital is going to play in the world of SDVs. Our viewers, we would now like to call upon Naveen Kalappa, the embedded head at Tata Technologies, to give you a walkthrough of the demonstrations around SDV Tata Technologies has put across.
Hello all, welcome to the CES 2024. Here we are at the Tata Technologies booth at the CES, and what we are trying to demonstrate here as we move towards the software-defined vehicle, how we have developed solutions or frameworks to demonstrate this whole transition of the automotive industry to the software-defined vehicle, and to show to our customers the different areas of focus in the software-defined vehicle. That's what our booth here at CES is going to demonstrate. Coming on to the way the industry is changing, the traditional vehicle engineering has changed towards more software-driven vehicle engineering, meaning to say that the OEMs are today looking at how to monetize a vehicle. How can they add more software? How can they improve the user experience? That has been the key areas of focus for the OEM. And with respect to this, we are having certain focus areas within our booth, which we want to show you, and also give a walkthrough of it. First is the area where we see a lot of things happening on the cloud-based native development for the software-defined vehicle. Cloud has become an important part of the software development in the vehicle. Open source technologies, cloud native development is what a lot of OEMs are looking at to harness to develop their software-defined vehicle solutions. And this is where our current solution here is based on a high-performance computing system from NXP and mirroring it on the cloud using the AWS framework. They are our partners, and we have been able to show how cloud-based native development using and open source technologies could be harnessed to develop a complete solution using container methodology to help deliver value to our customers. There have been a lot of consortiums we have been part of it for doing this, a lot of partnerships also. And so then this is an example of how an OEM can take this framework and get into our next level of development of the software-defined vehicle. I'll walk you through to our digital group. And here you have Gautaman to give more details on that.
Thank you, Naveen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Digital Booth. Digital, as we all know, the backbone for the software-defined vehicle. And today I will demonstrate our digital capabilities for the entire life cycle of software-defined vehicle. And we provide innovative digital transformation solutions starting from the product innovation, the software-defined product design and development, the manufacturing, and the aftermarket point of view. When we talk about product, the software-defined product design and development, we have AI-powered digital transformation solutions as an accelerator to improve the vehicle launch cycle time close to 15 to 20%. For example, we have accelerators for the vehicle durability and the noise, vibration, and the harshness analysis, which helps reducing the number of samples and also the iterations needed to finalize for a new vehicle launch. This helps for the vehicle launch cycle time. When it comes for the manufacturing, the software-defined vehicle, we all know that there is huge amount of complexity associated with the manufacturing software-defined vehicle. So the Holy Trinity solutions, enterprise integration starting from CAD systems, PLM, ERP systems, and MES systems, brings the visibility and traceability with respect to software, hardware, and mechanical and electromechanical systems. We have AI-powered the solutions for inventory management, which reduces the overall inventory cost, and also thanks to our IoT, MOM, and MES capabilities, we will able to provide the complete visibility from shop floor to top floor, and which helps the productivity of the software-defined vehicle manufacturing. So overall, we are able to provide 15 to 20% the cost savings with respect to the manufacturing solutions by leveraging our digital transformation solutions. We have built numerous software applications helping our customers with the rich set of omni-channel, the experience for our customer with respect to the software-defined vehicle. And now that we talked about the digital, cyber security is the key element in the digital as well as the software-defined vehicle. And I will now hand over to my colleague, who will talk about the cyber security capabilities and the associated solutions. Gino?
Thank you, sir. So, I'm Jenu. I'm working as a cybersecurity solutions architect in Tata Technologies. So, here is our offerings. Our offerings is split into 5 parts. We are talking about vehicle type approval. Inside the vehicle type approval, it's split into 3 parts. Organizational cybersecurity management, where we do the people, process, and technology. Improvements for the CSMS compliance certificate. Once the CMS compliance certificate is there, we have the security development and security testing. So traditionally, OEMs follow the traditional V model, and then now what we are trying to do is we are migrating towards the DevSecOps CI/CD pipeline. So we are implementing the Tara security requirements, coding, and the static and dynamic testing, everything integrated into the CI/CD pipeline. So the benefit of implementing the CI/CD pipeline is when we move towards a simple architecture and a complex software, running multiple softwares on a same high-performance computer, we can protect the application on the fly by pushing the software updates. And we can protect here in the demo that what we wanted to show here. We have a body application and we have an instrument cluster protected by MLS communication. So the attacker here or here can attack the body application, and when the attacker gains access to the body application, he will try to spoof the values of the instrument cluster, and the instrument cluster will be showing the values that is sent as a spoofed value, will not be showing the right values. So once we switch to a secure communication by MLS, the attacker will no longer be able to send the values by attacking the system. So here on the part 2, what we want to show is the operation maintenance. Here the attacker 2 creates a folder onto the system, which is an illegal activity. So once he tries to create this folder, so it would be detected by our IDPS system running on this, and it should be shortly available for us in the VSOC website right out here. So what we try to do is to create an illegal folder here. So you can see the file was deleted and it has been logged here. So that's the overall thing here. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Let's go to have a look at how we can do the full vehicle integration. Over to Andy. Hi, Andy.
Hi.
Yeah, over to you. Yeah.
Thank you. So one of the things that Tata Technologies, it's our lifeblood, is full vehicles. Full vehicle means from the initial concept, that initial piece of paper, which is what is the need, what is the requirement, we can turn those requirements into designs, into vehicles. How do we get there? We've got a suite of our own IP. We use a thing that we call EVMP. EVMP was our original EV platform. We've now developed that into EVMP2. EVMP2 is a structural development, but it's also now bringing in systems development and system and electrical architectural developments. All of this allows us to ensure that SDV can be realized in a physical sense. We obviously want a software-defined vehicle. The fact that we work with OEMs, traditional OEMs, and we work with startups means that we have an ability to be agile in the way that we develop vehicles. We can be innovative in the way that we get there, and we can get there quick. Now, one of the other real good benefits that Tata Technology brings to the table is a global footprint, either through our operations in India, US, and in the UK, but also with a partner base spread around the globe. We've worked out how to work with these people efficiently, these areas efficiently, so we both offer low-cost resource pools as well as the on-site or best cost sourcing for our workforce. Overall, we offer complete cradle-to-grave operations. That's Tata Technologies. Thank you.
Thanks, Andy, and the entire team for the engaging walkthrough of the demonstrations that we have put across. Now that we come to an end to our live stream, we would like to sign off by reinforcing what Warren just iterated, that our presence at CES 2024 is not just about showcasing our latest innovation. It is a glimpse into the future we are building at Tata Technologies. We would like to thank the team who has been instrumental in bringing our SDV innovations to life. See you all another time with another grand showcase of our offerings. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you.